Hi, my name is Bob Mead, CEO and founder of iQagent, and today I want to give you a sneak peek of our new iQagent AR using iOS ARKit. So let's get started. So before I show you the iQagent AR client on the iPad Pro, let's take a quick look at the point of interest that we've created. This is the iQagent configuration tool. The POI that I'm going to be showing on the client is incoming bank motor, so we can take a look at the configuration there. There's the QR code, which is our point of interest. I have printed this out and put it near the incoming bank motor. And then for our info view, this is a list of all the documents, videos, and forms and things like that that we've associated with this point of interest. So we can take a quick look at those things. Here's a parts list. And we also have a video. There's a video. We also have, say, a set of schematics, so we can look at those. So we've got several documents associated with this point of interest. We also have some data from our PLC via OPC UA. We can also use OPC DA or ODBC. So this is what our point of interest looks like. Okay, so here's my iPad Pro. I'm going to launch iQagent AR, and I'll just put the cursor in the middle of the POI, that QR code there, and hit scan. So we'll see the reticule come up, and I'm just going to place it near the POI object. This serves as an anchor for all the objects we're going to place in this scene. So I will just hit the plus button. And this is a list of all the information that we've attached to this point of interest. So I've got the full POI object, and I can also place individual data points or info links anywhere I want. So first I'll just add a POI object to the scene, and I can use my grabber to move that around. And this is our traditional POI object, so it's showing live process data. I could use my gray pointer to hit the I button, and it's going to flip that around. So there's all the documents that we saw on the POI, so I can say tap on the video. So there we're playing the video. It's done. I can select my schematics. So there's the schematics that we had. Okay, and I'll just flip this over. So maybe on the right here, I'll add a few more objects. This time I'm just going to add some specific data points. So there's speed, and then I'll also add current. And then maybe thermal overload. And I can just kind of place these around the scene wherever I want, whatever makes sense. Okay. And then over here, I'll hit my plus button again. And then I'll add, say, my video. And I'll also add a troubleshooting chart and just kind of move that. So basically what I've done is I've created this augmented reality scene. I'll just kind of get up and show you. See, these are objects, and they're all anchored on our anchor point down there. So that kind of tells them where to be. And if I'm satisfied with the scene, then I can just select my anchor point, and then I'll hit the little green cloud button, and that is going to save this AR scene back to the iQagent configuration that's in the plant. So now all AR-enabled devices on the iQagent system in this plant can recall this scene. So I will show you that next. Okay, so here is my iPhone 10, and I'm just going to launch iQagent AR. All right, so on the iPhone X, I'm going to do the same thing. I'll just put the cursor in the middle of my point of interest. I'll place the reticule on the point of interest there. Move it around to get some good tracking information, and then boom, there's the scene that we created. So I can interact with these objects now. I'll select the troubleshooting chart and open that. I will select the video, and I can play that video. And I can also interact with the point of interest. So basically what we've done is now we've created this global AR scene that any iQagent AR-enabled device can immediately scan and recreate. And I can also make changes to it as well. on this system. So we have this great alignment tool. Let's say I want to line those data points up. I'll just put one, let it serve as an anchor. I'll select it and then hit my blue snap to grid. And then I'll just select everything that I want to align, hit left align, and then it lines them all up. Okay. And I can kind of move these guys around. And then if I would like to update the scene, then I just select the anchor, hit cloud update. And then if I minimize the app, and I'll actually just clear it completely out of memory just to show you, and then relaunch the app, then I can just scan it, place my reticule over my point of interest, and then my scene is recreated, so you can see all my new changes are there. All right, so that is a look at iQagent on iPad and iPhone 10. Okay, just a few notes to wrap up. We do intend on releasing iQagent AR on the Apple App Store January 2018, so just about a month from now. We are accepting beta testers from industrial users, so if you're a current customer of iQagent, or you want to be, then contact me at the email address or number below, and I will see what I can do for you. I'd like to point out that iQagent is an off-the-shelf product. You do not have to be a developer to use this. It is not a API or a development kit. We're not in the cloud. We basically install in the plant. So anyone can get started with this in mere moments. We do have special pricing for new customers. So if you go take a look at iQagent.com, poke around a little bit, there's a few special offers there for 1 or 2 client licenses. They are good for any iQagent client. Speaking of native clients, we do have iQagent for Android on the Google Play Store, and also iQagent is available for iPad and iPhone for earlier versions of the iPhone and iPad. We also have iQagent AR on the HoloLens store, so if you have a HoloLens, check that out. We're also released for Windows 10 on the Windows Store, and RealWear HMT1. If you haven't seen this hardware device, it's awesome. It's like a monocle. It's a head-mounted tablet. So take a look at iQagent.com for more information there. Okay, guys, so that's it for today. You can find out more information at iQagent.com, or if you want to get in touch with us, our Twitter handle is @iQagent. We're also on Facebook, facebook.com/iQagent. And of course, you can contact me directly at the phone number below or bob.meets@iQuestcorp.com. See you next time.